Dear friends, if you want to import BOPP film from China, I bet you want to find the original factory. Let me present you a map of all the BOPP factories in China. See, there are in total around 30 BOPP factories in Zhejiang and Jiangsu province, which is near Shanghai. I visited a dozen of them and find that actually only 2 to 3 factories they have direct export business. I asked why, and the factory gave me 2 reasons. First, China market is big enough. Second, foreign trade expert team salary is too high to pay. So my friends, if you want to import BOPP film from China, I have 3 suggestions for you. First, please import full containers. This is most economic because both unit price and transportation cost is lowest for FCL. If you take LCL, you will be surprised at the destination port charge because it happened to some of my clients already. Second, price quoted by trading company will not necessarily be higher than factory because China encourage export and trading companies get higher tax payback than factories do. That's why if a factory wants to export directly, they would rather set up a new trading company to enjoy the benefit of government support on tax. Third, let me share in my next session. Follow me through the journey to BOPP film in China. Bye for now.